4-speed efficient airflow. The 30-inch wall-mounted range hood is equipped with a powerful motor, has 4 different speeds, and the maximum airflow is 780 CFM, which can quickly remove the cooking fumes and harmful substances, thereby reducing the damage to the skin and health. Ultra-quiet operation. The upgraded intelligent wall chimney range hood has core noise reduction technology, with a minimum noise level of 40 dB and a maximum noise level of 55 dB. The thoughtful low-noise design can help you enjoy high-tech cooking fun in the quiet environment. User-friendly design. The stainless steel vent hood has gesture sensing and touch control functions, and is equipped with an infrared remote control to make cooking more convenient. 2 PCS energy-saving LED lights with adjustable brightness can provide sufficient lighting for cooking. With 1 to 15 minutes delay shutdown function, the range hood can automatically suck out the remaining grease when you are having a meal with your family. Easy to clean. The kitchen chimney vent is equipped with 2 5-layer aluminum filters, which can capture grease more effectively. In addition, they are more durable and easy to clean. You only need to put it in the dishwasher for cleaning, which helps you save money and time. Support from us. ETL and CETL compliance with the US and Canada safety standards. Package includes remote control, air outlet, installation parts and screws, 6-round duct, and user manual. We offer 10 years after-sales service for range hood. If you need any assistance, please feel free to email us. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. 4-speed efficient airflow. The 30-inch wall-mounted range hood is equipped with a powerful motor, has 4 different speeds, and the maximum airflow is 780 CFM, which can quickly remove